Jai Shri Ram. Good morning everyone. This is Deepankar Tiwari and today we are going to make Daal Pitha. Yesterday I was thinking to make pasta, but due to this lockdown I could not find Parmesan cheese or any other ingredient for pasta because the market is closed. So I spoke to my father and he gave me the idea of making an Indian pasta, and I asked him what is an Indian pasta. He gave me an idea of making Daal Pitha. So today we are going to make Daal Pitha, and here we got all the ingredients for Daal Pitha. So here we got wheat flour and lentil. These two are the main ingredients for the dal pita. And we got some vegetables like tomatoes and green chili. And we got some spices, which is turmeric, half teaspoon, and salt according to your taste. So I'm using this pot to cook our dal or lentil. So I'm gonna fill it with water till this point. And if you don't have this, you can use any pot and cook it in your kitchen also. And now I'm going to keep this on the fire and let the water come to the boiling, and then we're gonna add our lentil or dal inside here. So here we got lentil and I'm going to clean it first. I'm gonna add little water and rinse it with your hands. And now we got this set up, so I'm going to add our lentil into this pot. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And this is gonna take somewhere around 1 hour to cook. So just stir it once with the spoon and cover the lid. So as I said that we are preparing dal pitha and it is an pasta. So we are preparing our dal in this pot right there, and now we have to make pasta for this. So I got this wheat flour, I'm gonna add water in here and I'll make a dough. So here we got our dough ready now. And now I'll show you how to make our pasta. To make the pasta, we need to make the flatbread first. So I'm going to take this much of quantity of the dough and roll it. Make a ball and flat it. And put it into some extra flour so it does not stick in the rolling base. You can see that we have got this flatbread, and now we're gonna make pasta designs. So I have got this cap lid of a box and I'm gonna press it and make this circular designs for the pasta. Take it from the very corner so that you can use maximum number of. So we have got these designs now. This is the last one, and now we're gonna remove it. You can make any shape that you want. So now see here, you can use it like this also, but I'm gonna roll it like this and stick it from here. So you got this kind of shape, and then hold it here from both the sides and then just stick it here. So here we got this nice design of a pasta. See here, looks beautiful. I've got this design of the pasta. You can make any design that you like. So I'm making another design. I'm taking this much portion of the dough, making a ball, flat it up a little bit like this, and then just press it. You got one different design like this. I got few more. And now I'm going to make another design which gonna be like a flat noodles. So I got the flatbread and now I'm gonna make flat noodles, so I'm gonna cut it like this. And I'm going to make one more design. I'm gonna cut it from this center here, and I got this size, and see I'm using this stick to just roll it like this. We're gonna remove it. We got this one design. So I've turned on my gas and there is water in this vessel, and I'm gonna put this thing inside and gonna place the pasta on the top so it will steam like this. And then we're gonna cover the lid. We're gonna place our pasta on the top of this, but we don't want our pasta to stick inside here. So I'm gonna use little bit of oil, any oil you can use, and then just rub it on the top of this. So our pasta will not stick it here. Let the water come to the boiling, and then we're gonna add our pasta inside. So now we got our water boiling in here. I'm gonna add my pasta. Make sure the pasta should be separated from each other. If they are very close to each other, they might stick together. And now we're gonna cover it with the lid and leave it for somewhere around 15-20 minutes. Pasta is getting ready here, and our dal is getting ready here in that pot. And because I'm at the rooftop, so I'm using these things. If you are inside the kitchen, you can use your gas LPG and you can cook the dal in the pressure cooker, and you can cook this also downstairs. So now I got these vegetables like chili and tomatoes. I'm gonna cut it and gonna put this thing in our dal or lentil. See, our dal is getting ready here now. And we're gonna add our chilies and tomatoes in here. Tomatoes are very easy to cook. It will just take like 5-7 minutes and will be cooked. And now we add salt according to your taste. And cover the lid again and leave it for around 5 minutes more. When you cook dal in the pressure cooker, it takes around 5-7 minutes. And here when you cook it like this on the fire, it's gonna take somewhere around 1 hour. This is good for outdoor cooking, like when you are on a picnic and go somewhere outside, adventure outing. So you can cook these things like this way. We are eating dal roti, which is very popular. And this Daal Pitha or the Indian pasta gonna take the same ingredients for dal roti, just wheat flour and lentil. And this is something new, and kids gonna love it for sure. So now it is somewhere around 10-15 minutes that our pasta is cooking, and it's time to remove it. I'm gonna use these chopsticks to remove them. So now here we got it, and now I'm gonna place our another batch in here. Our pastas, we're gonna add it to our this bowl. Our dal ready here. Gonna mix it a little bit. So we got our pasta ready to eat here. We're gonna garnish it with this cilantro. I got here my mom's garden. We're gonna take some cilantro. I've not added much spices in here, but if you want to make it like dal tadka and then add this pasta, you can do it. You can add whatever spices you like. I made this dish very mild, and the good thing about this is it is zero oil and steamed dish, not like Italian pasta which has got a lot of cheese, lot of fat in it. So this is really healthy. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope that you know how to make an Indian pasta or dal pitha. So if you're missing cheese, Parmesan cheese, Italian recipe, you can cook this Indian pasta with lentil and flour, homemade pasta. Tomorrow I'll see you again with some new video. Till then, have a good day. Jai Shri Ram. Bye bye.